If you are considering this product, pause for a second. I'm about to take you through a real-world test of a product that's got some impressive features and a steep price tag of $1,799.95, the DJI Mini 4 Pro folding drone with RC2 remote. Link is in the description, by the way. This is not for the casual drone enthusiast or someone new to the world of aerial photography, though. You need to be willing and able to dedicate serious time and effort to mastering this drone's capabilities. If you're looking for something for the backyard or a quick park fly session, look elsewhere. The Mini 4 Pro is a serious drone designed for serious photographers. In actual usage, this drone delivers on its promise of 4K video recording and 20 km FHD video transmission capabilities. The real-world application is clear when watching footage shot with the drone. It's smooth, crisp, and remarkably detailed. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing system works as advertised, providing plenty of warnings and alerts when getting close to obstacles. However, do not expect this to be foolproof. It's a powerful feature, but still requires human intervention and caution. I'll let you in on a secret. One of the biggest selling points for this drone is its screen-equipped RC2 remote. This might seem like an overkill to some, but trust me when I say it's worth it. The 3.3-inch touchscreen is responsive, and being able to see what you're capturing in real time is worth every penny in this price range. You're essentially carrying an entire photo studio with you, making it a no-brainer for serious content creators and professionals. This drone is a must-have for anyone regularly shooting aerial footage, whether it's for a YouTube channel, a production company, or even a real estate business. Its ability to capture high-quality video and stills from a variety of angles and perspectives has opened up new possibilities for many creatives. The inclusion of a 3-battery bundle ensures extended flight times and reduced downtime between shoots. You'll also get a custom hard case to protect your investment. On the downside, the Mini 4 Pro's weight of 249 grams or less does make some of its built-in features, particularly the obstacle sensing system, a tad more inconsistent than its heavier counterparts. The system still works well, but you'll inevitably find yourself manually adjusting the drone's flight path to avoid obstacles in tight spaces. However, it's a minor trade-off for the unparalleled portability this drone offers. You're considering investing in high-quality equipment and putting your skills and creativity on show for the world to see. In this case, the price tag isn't the only thing that's serious. You're also looking at a product designed for the long haul, one that will keep up with your demanding schedule and deliver quality results time and again. With a 3-year full warranty and a 2-year extended warranty on top of that, you can rest assured that you're covered in case anything goes wrong. Ultimately, this may seem like an expensive purchase for some. But for professionals and serious creatives, the Mini 4 Pro offers capabilities and value that can pay dividends in the long run. If you're a content creator, photographer, or videographer with a focus on aerial work and you can justify the price tag, this drone might be the best fit for you. So what are you waiting for? Check the description link for today's price on Amazon.